All right, so about expressions. I could probably make a longer video than this, but this is just kind of an overview. You should start looking in the mirror and seeing your own face and make some expressions and then simply copy them. Like figure out where your eyebrows are or figure out how far your face stretches. You know, there's so many muscles in the face, and I want to kind of promote that even if you have a certain type of character, there should be a bit of squash and stretch involved in it. And that's an animation principle where there's more elasticity to the character. So these are some really, really rough character expressions. And I'm thinking, okay, so how's her hair going to lay? What is her feeling for this? So this is like a mad kind of things. Another thing that you might want to think about are, can you see her teeth? Can you see her tongue? Things like that. Does she have, and I haven't drawn her at all with an open mouth, so does she, I kind of want her to have a bit of a, maybe like some kind of like an interesting tooth, but I don't know. Well, I'll think about that. But, you know, where are her freckles going to be situated? All that kind of stuff. And then, you know, like really stretch the emotions, happy, sad. A big thing that will create these expressions is the eyebrows, of course, and be okay with like kind of stretching out the form. Now, these are not my finalized ones at all. I'm just kind of playing around on this video. But really start thinking about the situations also that would make them happy or sad. So for this assignment that I do in my class, you should have 6 of these. I'm making a silly one right now, but you should definitely make 6 fully realized ones. Like maybe her bun pops off, I don't know. Somebody think about it. All right. Well, thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope you have a good day.